Hey, beautiful people. Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot for honest, science-backed beauty insights that really get to the heart of what products can do for you. If you've ever battled with frizz and those unpredictable curls, you're going to want to hear what I found with Color Wow's Dream Coat for curly hair. It promises a moisture-boosting, curl-enhancing spray that tames frizz without any crunch or heaviness. Sounds like a dream, right? Let's unpack what's really going on here. So this Dream Coat is designed as a one-step solution for curly, coily, frizzy, and even color-treated hair. What's interesting is that it aims to combine the smoothing benefits of gels, serums, and creams, but without the usual downsides like stiffness or buildup. That's a big deal because many of us with curls have struggled to find something that controls frizz yet leaves hair soft and bouncy. Plus, it's free from sulfates, gluten, alcohol, and parabens, which ticks all the boxes for a gentle, clean formulation. It's also fragrance-free, so sensitive noses, you're covered. Now, I put this spray through its paces in my usual routine. I used it on freshly washed hair, air-dried some sections, and diffused others. The application is straightforward. Just a few spritzes and then scrunch or comb through. Immediately, I noticed the hair felt silkier without that sticky or greasy residue that gels often leave behind. The curls had a defined bounce, but stayed soft to the touch, which is exactly what you want when you want frizz control without sacrificing natural movement. In terms of performance during the day, even in humid conditions, the Dream Coat kept my curls noticeably frizz-free for hours. I did a little test wearing a scarf and then removing it. My curls bounced back without flattening or losing shape. That's a mark of a product that truly respects the delicate structure of curls. On the downside, if you apply too much, the hair can feel a little weighed down, so less is definitely more here. Also, because it's a liquid spray, it's not as thick or moisturizing as some creams. So, very dry curls might need an extra hydrating product alongside it. Let's talk about the texture. Lightweight and watery, making it easy to spread evenly. The unscented aspect might feel a bit clinical for some, but personally, I love that it doesn't clash with other fragrances in my routine. Packaging-wise, the bottle is sturdy with a fine mist spray, which makes for a pleasant application experience without overdoing it. Now, how about value? At its price point, Color Wow Dream Coat positions itself in the premium range. You're paying for a formulation that is clean, specialized, and backed by a brand known for quality. Considering the results, frizz control without crunch, softness, and curl enhancement, I think it's a solid investment if you're serious about curl care. That said, if budget is tight, there are more affordable sprays that offer some frizz control, but may not deliver the same weightless feel or ingredient cleanliness. If I compare this to other curl-enhancing sprays, the Dream Coat's unique selling point is really that blend of gel, serum, and cream benefits without the usual compromises. Many sprays are either too light to control frizz or too heavy, but this one strikes a nice balance. It also stands out by being free of sulfates, parabens, and alcohol, ingredients that can dry out curls or irritate sensitive scalps. I haven't had direct experience with Color Wow's customer service for this product, but the brand generally maintains a good reputation for support and responsiveness, which is reassuring if you ever have questions or concerns. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. To wrap it up, Color Wow Dream Coat for curly hair delivers on its promise for most curl types, especially if you want that frizz-free, soft, and natural curl look without fuss. It's especially suited for those who prefer lightweight styling without compromising curl definition. If your curls are extremely dry or thick, layering it with a nourishing cream might be the way to go. Overall, a worthy addition to your curl care arsenal. Thanks for watching. You'll find the purchase link in the description or comments below. If you've tried this spray, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I love hearing your experiences. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.